Hello, let's study swar in Hindi today. So, swar basically are a, e, and so on till aha. We will also study how Vyanjanas and Swaras make Barakhadi. Vyanjanas are k, kh, g, gh, and so on till Nya in Hindi. When Vyanjanas are attached to swar, we get Barakhadi, which is k, ka, ki, and so on. So let's start with the first swar. Swar is a. A is a basic sound which is produced and it's written as a. And we will represent this a as a dotted circle. It can also represent a Vyanjan, either k, kh, g, gh or so on. Pronouncing a is similar to a Tamil word pronunciation as appa. The first a is same as Hindi appa. Going on to next swar, which is a. A. It is written as a and a vertical line after a. That becomes a. If this dotted circle is Vyanjan or just simply a, one vertical line after it would make it as a. Now learning the pronunciation with the word, we will take a Tamil word which is ar. Ar. The a, first a in this word is similar to Hindi swar a. It is written as E. This is the first E in swar. If the circle represents Vyanjan, the E will be written as a vertical line before the Vyanjan and one curve above it. So this is the first E. The word with E can be idli. Idli. The first E is similar to Hindi swar E. Idli. The next swar is E. E. Basically the second E. It is written this way. If the dotted circle is Vyanjana, the E, which is a second E, is written as a vertical line after the Vyanjana and a curve above it. This becomes E, the second E. Now, the word with E in Tamil with similar pronunciation would be E, the whole word, which means a housefly is exactly similar pronounced as the Hindi second E, E. It is written as U. If the dotted circle is Vyanjan, the U is written as a curved line towards the left below the Vyanjan. The pronunciation of U is similar to the word Ural in Tamil. The U, this U, Ural, this is similar to the Hindi word, Hindi swar, U. That is the first U. which is the second oo. And if the dotted circle is Vyanjan, the oo is written as a curved line towards the right side below the Vyanjan. The pronunciation of this oo is similar to Tamil word Oonjal. Oonjal. The oo is similar to Oonjal, and this is the second oo. Next word is A. A. If the dotted circle is Vyanjana, A is represented as a matra above the Vyanjana. This vertical line is called matra. The Tamil word which has a similar pronunciation as A is Eni. A in Eni is pronounced similarly as Hindi A. Next word is I. 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 If this dotted circle is Vyanjan, the I is written as two matras above the Vyanjan. The Tamil word which is similar in pronunciation is Aindu. Aindu. The I in Aindu is pronounced similar to Hindi I. Aindu. I. O. O. It is a mixture of A, and O. If the dotted line is Vyanjan, the vertical line after it and one A ki matra will become O, and the pronunciation of this O is similar to English O. O. The next word is Au. Au. It is the mixture of A, O and I. If the dotted circle is Vyanjan, the Au will be written as a vertical line after it and two matras above. Au. And the Tamil word which sounds similar to Au is the Tamil poet Auvayar. Auvayar. The Au in Auvayar is Au in Hindi. Is It is also called as Anuswara. If the dotted circle is Vyanjan, one pottu above is Anuswara and the letter becomes It is usually pronounced as Ang with the nasal tone Ang. And the example of it from Hindi is Angur. Angur means grapes. Ang. And it is called as Anuswara. Aha is A and two dots in front of it. These dots are called as Visarga. If the dotted circle is a Vyanjan, the two dots in front of it will make it as Aha, just like Kaha, Khaha, Gaha. This swar is hardly used in Hindi in day-to-day conversations. We will just learn this word as aha. Thank you for watching this video, and if you feel that somebody else will also benefit, please do share.